So my good friend TJ has an air fryer, and I've always been really jealous of him because who gets an air fryer in their 20s? Like, he's making moves. He is going places. And so I wanted to get an air fryer as well because he talks so highly of it. So Dreo sent me this air fryer, and today I wanted to review it with you, share my thoughts, and just walk through how to use it. And so if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below. Let's get started. When you first open the box, what you're gonna have inside is the Dreo Air Fryer. It's also gonna come with this like warming plate or thing that you're supposed to put in the air fryer. And then it also comes with your instruction manual, a quick start guide, and it also has a recipe book, which is really cool. It has like 100 different recipes in there, so it gets you started off on the right foot. Initially, I was pretty surprised at how large this air fryer is, and not only the air fryer in general, but also the basket here. That's a good size. You could fit a lot of French fries in there. You could fit a lot of stuff in here, so it's a really good size. I like that. That way, if you're cooking for multiple people, it will accommodate that. When I looked at the quick start guide, one of the things that it said to do was initially when you first get it, to run it through an air fry cycle just to get the smell out of it, because it kind of has like a new fresh car smell or something like that. That's kind of what it smelled like. And so it has you run a fryer cycle just to get that smell out of there. And it really did help. When I initially opened it up, it was like you could smell it, but now it's fine. It's like an air fryer, it doesn't smell like anything. Has all these different buttons: air fry, bake, roast, broil. It's hard to read upside down. And all you have to do is tap on each one to cycle through it. So it's really easy to do that. And then it has a light button to turn the light on and off, because this actually has like a window here where you can actually see into your air fryer. I mean, it's really straightforward on how to use it. You basically set your temperature, you set your air fryer mode, and then you're good to go. One of the things that you can change on there is you can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius if you need to as well, or vice versa if it came in Celsius. Mine came in Fahrenheit, so I don't have to change anything. Now, this air fryer also has a fan in the back to kind of dispense some of that air and heat, and so they recommend actually not putting this snug up against your wall, so I'll probably most likely keep it out on my kitchen counter when I'm using it, and then I'll probably store it in my pantry for when it's not in use. Depends on how much I use it. I think it'll be really nice for reheating food because it gives it that crispiness and it doesn't just dry it out. So, and you don't have to soak it in oil or grease or all that stuff with normal deep frying, so I think it could actually be pretty handy. What I want to do next then is actually test it out. I haven't cooked anything in it yet, so there, I just turned the preheat mode on. You can hear how loud that is. It actually kind of sounds like a blowing fan off the back of it. It's not unbearable, but it does make noise, just so you're aware. Maybe you should have a hot pad or something if you need to set this down to like put your ingredients in, but I'm just gonna hold it. Start. My shake alarm is going off. Looking good. So that shake alarm is pretty nice and useful, and I like that as soon as you pull out the thing, it automatically shuts off. It's not like you have to pause it if you don't want to. You can literally just take it out and go. Ooh, yeah, baby. It smells super good. I'm surprised how crispy the outside gets. I like a good crispy chicken like that, so to me, I'm really pleased with this. Other than just trying to dial in my recipe and my settings of how I'm supposed to cook it, I think it worked really good. I mean, the air fryer took hardly any time at all to get up to temperature and cook these things, but the actual process of using this Dreo air fryer was really simple. Again, I'm pretty pleased with it. If you're interested, I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to check out, and catch you on another one.